To throw away or to put away? This is our question. Hey everybody, let's talk about the phrasal verb to throw away. Now, to throw something away means that that thing is no longer useful. It's broken, it's used up, and we are going to put it in the garbage. In American English, we call this a garbage can or a trash can, and we can also just refer to it as the garbage or the trash. So if my pen here is broken, I can throw it away. Now, this is a phrasal verb that can be separated. So I can say throw the pen away. I can also say throw away the pen, right? Now, the closest synonym to throw away is throw out. Throw the pen out, throw it out, right? Or throw out the pen. Now, there are a ton of other synonyms for throw away. A couple of them are chuck it, to chuck the pen, toss it, toss the pen, ditch it, trash it, scrap it, and finally pitch it. Those are just a few. Now, the second phrasal verb that I want to talk about today is put away. Now, to put something away just means to put it where it belongs when you are not using it, right? And I've had students get these two phrasal verbs, throw away and put away, confused sometimes. Phrasal verbs are confusing. So imagine I have a bunch of pens, right? Let's go back to our pens. Pens all over my desk. And my pens belong in this cup on my desk. So if I want to put my pens away, I just pick them up and I put them all in this cup until I want to use them again. Then I can get them out. So while I am not using them, I put them away in this mug. Now, put away is also a phrasal verb that we can separate. So if I put away the pens, or I can also put the pens away.